Have you ever considered how your diet influences your brain and mood? I know you have probably been wondering about this for so long. Anyways, welcome to OliTrey's Fun Facts. On this channel, we bring you all the amazing facts that revolve around you every day. Today, we'll be discussing how your diet affects your brain and mood. So let's begin. Although there are no foods that can totally protect against age-related illness like dementia and Alzheimer, and there are many other medical conditions that can affect the brain and mood. When it comes to brain health and function as well as our mood swings, what we eat and do not eat really matters. It makes a difference. A balanced diet and a lifestyle can supply the nutrients and circumstances that the brain requires to function at its optimum. Eating a wide variety of fruits and vegetables rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants will help nourish the brain while also protecting it from oxidative stress which causes cell damage. So let us now consider how the various food nutrients specially affects our brains and moods. First, how do carbohydrates affect the brain? Glucose forms the building blocks of carbohydrates and plays a role in the production of serotonin in the brain. Inadequate supply of glucose result in the brain not functioning correctly. Carbohydrates such as whole grains, vegetables, fruit, rice, potatoes, and lactose are the most important source of energy for our brain. In addition, highly refined carbohydrates such as white bread pasta, white rice, crackers, cookies, and soda increase blood sugar and trigger a hormonal response in the body to reduce blood sugar levels. This response results in mood changes, fatigue, and other symptoms of depression. Second, how does caffeine affect the brain? Caffeine is widely recognized as one of the most extensively utilized psychoactive compounds in the world. It is an ergogenic aid that acts on the central nervous system to delay fatigue and boost alertness in small dosages. Caffeine can improve mood and help people feel more productive. Caffeine may also be beneficial for cognition in older adults, but problematic for those who have difficulties sleeping. For years, human epidemiology research has shown that the tea and coffee consumers have improved cognitive function. Caffeine has again been consistently associated with a low risk of Parkinson's disease, depression, and cognitive difficulties for Alzheimer's disease, according to a recent meta-analysis evaluating the existence evidence of caffeine and health outcomes. Third, how do vitamins and minerals affect the brain? Certain vitamins play an important role in keeping your brain and heart healthy. B vitamins, vitamin C, D, and E, as well as magnesium, are all necessary for brain development and health, while B6, B12, and vitamin C are essential for nerve function and formation. Magnesium, which can be found in avocados, spinach, brown rice, and almonds, boosts neuronal plasticity, or the ability of nerves to adapt and avoid damage. As a result, it may aid with memory, stress, and sadness. The right vitamins can thus improve cognitive function, protect your brain, help ward off memory loss, improve blood pressure, and reduce your risk for stroke and heart disease. In addition, how do fats affect the brain? Fat is very important for proper brain function, but it needs to be right kind of fat. We need to get enough omega-3 fatty acids because these are the essential building blocks of our brain and they are important for learning and memory. Omega-3 fats with the DHA is a type of omega-3 fat found in the fish responsible for eye and mental development. They are found in olive oil, oily fish such as salmon, herring, and sardines, and are very essential for brain development in the womb and early childhood. Research has also suggested dietary deficiency in omega-3 fats can have an adverse effect on cognition. In addition, one short-term experiment has also shown that the low-fat diets increase the risk of becoming more irritable, angry, hostile, tense, and anxious. Lastly, how do probiotics affect the brain? The significance of probiotics in gut and brain function has recently attracted a lot of attention. Probiotics are thought to alter the gut's information processing, which has been linked to anxiety and depression. A small study found that the healthy women who consumed probiotic-rich yogurt for 4 weeks had a lower emotional response to photographs of persons who were afraid, angry, or sad. Thanks for watching our video. Do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button with the notification bell if you enjoyed this video to be always updated once we upload new videos.